Well, okay, here we go. Augusta, Georgia. There's my cats. Two of them anyway. They're yelling at me. They're blaming me for this. This isn't snow. Ow. Ow. This is ice. It's frozen rain. This is even worse than the snow. Look at the roads out here. Oh, yeah, here's a part of a tree that fell down. There's a bunch of that going on around here. That's why my house is without power right now. Whew. Yeah, this is even deeper than that snow we had. I don't like this. This is not good. I need to keep the camera up. There's people out there on the road. That's surprising. Whew, kind of messy. Yeah. Oh yeah, look, there's another part of a tree down over there. Wow, almost slipped. This is not snow. Wow. Right. Yeah, there's people out walking around. So a bunch of tree limbs down out there. They're probably wondering where the power is. Go down here. Yeah, there's some other trees that fell down. Wow. Now this is very unprecedented. Lately, we don't have 2 winter weather events in 1 year. I'm just gonna go check, see how Walmart's doing. I mean, not Walmart, Kmart, not Kmart either. Kroger. Well, that should go into the blooper reel, I think. Oh, that's all right. I'll let it go. Traffic's getting better out here. And the cats are following me. Yeah, it's kind of dry under there, guys. Probably a good place. I left my front porch light on just in case the power ever comes back on. I might be out here for a little while, but I don't know about that because I'm kind of cold already. Oh yeah. I guess we're not having a fire today. Woof. We could have been ready for that, but we weren't. Oh shit. Detour. I don't know. That's okay. Let's see what else we got in our way. Let's get in our way. It's just me. Right. Okay. Better be careful though. Something could fall right on top of me out here. Whoa. Or I could slip, break my neck. Ooh. That tree looks like it's ready to go. Kind of. Yeah, some more branches busted back here. Yeah. Whoa. God. Shit. Oh yeah. The branch that fell right out here into the road. Yeah. Yeah, there's not very many people over there. Kroger. This is pretty, I think I see a power company truck or something. They're probably out of power too. Alright, let me go back. Now. Yeah. Get past that big old limb up there. It looks like it might be ready to fall down. Come right down on top of me. That one right there. I'm out of here. I'm out here. Cat's probably gonna be yelling when I get back too. Okay. Woo. Yeah. Alrighty then. I guess I better take the detour. See how the cats are doing. Wow. Okay. Just about made it. Yeah, we didn't have that much wood. We didn't have that much wood cut up yet anyway. We could have. But, alright, where'd the cats go? Might be still out front under the porch. That thing is holding out pretty good. Meow meow. I don't know. They probably went under the house again. They have a hidey hole under there. They're usually pretty good, pretty safe. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna stop recording. Okay.